Hi and welcome to Maptive. In this quick tutorial, I'll just show you where to find all of your tools. On the left-hand corner of the map itself, you'll see Map Tools. This is our toolbox. If you're hovering over the gears, it's going to hide that box. Clicking this will open up to the grouping tool, and on the outside you'll see all the different tools that you can access by clicking on the tabs, such as the filter tool, distance, radius, and drive time polygon tool, routing tool, territory tool, boundary tool, heat map tool, and drawing tool. On the right side you have various tools as well, things like search, satellite view, export map image, distance calculator, location finder, lasso tool, add map marker to your map, and export data from your map. Back on the left side, we've got the map settings in the gears. This is where you can change the name of your map, and you can access map markers and graphics. This is where you can change all the markers on your map or add labels and things of that nature. Base map is where you can change the actual base map. Shared and presentation mode is where you can go to customize your shared map. And then you've got other settings where you can find things like miles and kilometers and other things you may need. You've got the save your current map view. Save doesn't need to be used unless you're saving a filtered view or routing. This will allow you to view your map in shared and presentation mode once you've got those settings set up in the shared and presentation that I just showed you. Share map is how you can share your map via email. This is also where you can set privacy settings for that shared map. This button is so that you can embed your map on a website. This is where you find the iframe. The silhouette on the lower left allows you to access your account settings where you can change your name, email, and password. The green question mark is where you can access tutorials as well as chat live with us right within the program. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.